Okay, so Noel, this looks like the reason why it's happening is you have quite a few mesh errors, and I don't even have to load anything in. It'll tell me the script editor, that little error message that shows at the bottom, right? Is going. If I click on this button right here, I can see the warning messages. So it says right here, subdivision mesh has face with 6 sides, which specifies blah 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 blah. So it's telling me I have a face with 6 sides, which means I have an n-gon. So what I'm going to do is to find those, I'm going to go click on my mesh, go mesh cleanup. Let's see, mesh cleanup. I'm going to open up the settings for it. I'm going to make sure I have select matching polygons, faces with more than 4 sides, and then click apply. What it's going to do is it's going to highlight all the polygons that are not good. All right? So I can see here, it's pretty clear that these ones are n-gons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So these all have, they're more than 4 vertices, which is not good. So I'm going to delete these extra edges that I might not need, which will delete a vertice from these guys right here. I'm going to do command delete or control delete, and what that does is it deletes the vertice and the edge at the same time. So it doesn't leave. If I just delete the edges, it'll leave behind vertices, so I'll still have the same problem. So I'm going to do control delete or command delete, and you'll see it deletes that vertice as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click apply again, see what other ones I have. Okay, so this one, you added these extra edges in here to crease it, but they don't terminate anywhere on any vertices, right? Or they don't loop back onto themselves. They just kind of stop in the middle of an edge loop, or in the middle of a polygon, and so it splits it into 5. Sided polygons, which are good, right? So I'm going to select this edge loop, right? Now I'm going to press Control Delete, and that just gets rid of those extra n-gons. Right here, I noticed there's an floating vertices, probably because you deleted an edge at one point. Delete those. Okay, that should be cleaned up. Okay, select my mesh, click apply. Okay, there's a couple on the back side. This one right here is really strange, so it's too hard for me to kind of, I think it's actually like, this is one polygon, but it's been pinched across. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete these guys. There's a floating vertice right here. This is causing an n-gon over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Control delete. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bridge across. So I'll just go to polygon modeling, bridge. And I'm being lazy because I'm not, let's do one at a time. Just like that, bridge, that, bridge, and I'll just close it with a triangle, right? And I could do better, right? I could try to get some good edge flow going on here instead of just a triangle, or 2 triangles, but I'm not going to worry about it too much just because I'm just trying to show you how to clean it up. Okay. So we'll go back to object mode. Again, select it. Okay, there's probably a vertice left behind somewhere in here. So let's see what this looks like. Yep, here's a vertice. Okay. I noticed these are n-gons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it's more than 4 vertices. Again, I'm going to just be kind of not going to do the optimal cleanup. I'm just doing this for the sake of cleaning it up, right? It's going to cut this n-gon into a triangle and a quad, right? And there's one down here as well. So this isn't going to smooth very well because I'm getting triangles and I'm not really controlling where things are, but I'm just trying to clean this up right now. Okay, click apply. All right, my mesh isn't being selected, or none of the polygons are being selected, so that means that I don't have any more n-gons on my object. Okay. One other thing I want to notice is this has a lot of history on it, right, from me editing it, and that tends to corrupt the file. So I'm going to go edit, delete all by type history, and that's just going to simplify my object's history. I can delete all these extra, groups I don't need anymore, which probably happened when you merged your objects together. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, import. I'm just importing my look development file. Okay, continue. I'm going to hide or delete this group. I'm just going to hide that for a second. Could scale this up. Alright, on your file, the background image is white, right? So it looks like, let's see if I can just, alright, this is what yours looks like. So you have to open up this environment light, you have to locate the texture image, or the HDR image, click open. Okay, and then I'm just going to click render. And there we go. I haven't assigned a material to it yet, so it's still Lambert, so I actually need to assign a Pixar surface material, but now it should be fixed. Okay, so that should be all you need for this.